Hey guys, welcome back to the garage. Today we are going to do nothing except for talk a little bit about the Transalp Supermoto. As you can see, the engine is back in the bike and the engine is painted again, except for the cooling fins, but I don't know if I'm going to do that or not. That's something for later. Still figuring out the electronics on the bike. Yeah, and looking for a place to mount the battery. I have also made a little box, but my welding is still shit. As you can see here, there are still some holes that are burned through, but I still don't know why it happened, because I weld on 5 amps. No idea, but whatever. And that will go here. So I'm still building a little mount for that, but yeah, apart from that, the bike looks amazing. Shit, almost wiped out. The bike looks amazing. Yeah, what can I say more? V-twin looks nice, the tires look nice. Still need to do something about the headlight. These stick out a little bit too far. Still trying to make a little bit of an adjustment with the mounts right here. Yeah, so I can tuck it a little more backwards. And since I'm also busy with the wiring, etc., I'm still checking out what I should do with the fuse box where I will mount this. Originally I'm planning to do it right here and then building a little cover for it, or put it back in the front, but that looks ugly as fuck. So yeah, let me know in the comments, but I think I'm still going to mount it right here, so it's easily accessible by an access panel that I've built somewhere right there. But yeah, at the moment looks very nice. Also, this is the new color of the frame, little test piece. As you can see here, this would be the color, a little bit of brown, a little bit of gold, a little bit of, what do you call it, bronze. And it will go right here. Yeah, that's the shift lever, of course. But it will be the official color of the frame. So that will still need to be powder coated, and yeah, it would look absolutely amazing, as I say so myself again. Carbs are back in, the top all works. The clutch has a little bit of a problem, that the mounting point is too far behind, so I have to mount it on a very weird way, so that the clutch would engage perfectly with it. But I still don't know why it happened, because this is a clutch cable for a Transalp and not for a DeVille. So that's a little bit weird. Exhaust looks amazing, as I say so myself too. And yeah, mounting points for the stator thingies, etc. are also done. I still need to make the mounting point for the CDI, no, for the ignition coils, somewhere here. No idea where I would put that, but it will be fine. And I think this would be the original mounting point for the CDI in the front. For the ignition coil in the front. But yeah, a little bit of progress. We are still building, still welding. And also about the tank, here's my little mock-up. It will go right here, and I still need to find out a way to to build this, because as you can see, it also fits right in between the it also fits right with the fairings, but it's only 5 liters and yeah, need to find a way to increase the capacity of it. So maybe someone knows someone who knows someone that has an idea how to increase the fuel capacity of this bike. And I think it wouldn't be possible to build a little tank extra right here, because yeah, or maybe it is possible to build a tank right there. Anyways, I hope this would be the fun and little update on the Transalp. And let's talk about the VFR. So the VFR is back in summer trim. No hand grips again for the passenger. No passenger pegs, 8-spoke, the nice seat cowl, and also no top case. So it would be also very light to ride. I cannot wait till the quarantine is over so I can finally hear my VFR again and make a little bit of more vlogs than just updates on the Transalp Supermoto. But yeah, let me also know in the comments what you would like more Transalp videos or more Viffer videos. And yeah, welding, that's as you can see, this one is nice and this one looks like shit, so still need to practice a little bit more. But that's it for the moment, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye!